viewers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this makeup look.
It's been a minute. Oh, you know I'm missing, not afraid to admit it. Say you need a time, but you know I wasn't with it. We won't know what time, just me you more. Now that's none of my business. In my emotions, going through these photos while I go through the motions. Going through these texts so I can live in the moments. Never having closure is the reason I'm open. Maybe I'm open. Times are different. That's not why you distant. Tell me different. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. I know I'm out, but somehow I'm still in it. Just know I feel away, cause I know you still feel it. It's in my mind. It ain't over, though it's over. Oh no. It's been a minute. Wait, I was gonna hit you, but I'm glad I ain't said it. Just now I hear you talking about how we ended. Everything I said and done, you know that I meant it. Yes, you know that I meant it. Say what you won't say, cause I feel the same way. Say what you won't say, doesn't matter anyway, no. Times are different, that's not why you're distant. Tell me different. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. I can't get it off my mind. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. You all the time. No, I'm out, but somehow I'm still in it. Just know I feel away, cause I know you still feel it. It's in my mind. It ain't over, though it's over. No, no.
Hey y'all, so right here I am taking this blue shimmery shade from the palette, and what I did to get it to stick to my eye, I just took some setting spray and lightly sprayed it over the brush, and then I took some of the shadow and then just applied it to my eyelid, just in the space where I took the color off from the makeup wipe, or with the makeup wipe.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
And now I'm just taking that brown shade, the first shade that I used, and I'm taking it, just blending in the brown into the blue, just very lightly.
I just wanted to come in and show y'all what I use for the rest of my face since my camera want to be dying and shit. So for blush, I used the Saharan blush volume 1, and I used the Nile. Yeah, I used Nile and Toby. For highlight, I used the Nicole Guerriero Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and I used Glow Getter. And I put it on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And for lips, I line my lips with NYX Espresso. Then I lined them with Juvias Place lipstick in the color Nile. This is what it looks like. I put the Juvias Place gloss in, or the coffee shop gloss, in cream de cacao. Looks like this. If y'all like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, my loves.